Guys, just wanted to come up on the net real quick. So we're in the Smokies, left Spencer's shelter. I don't know how far we're en route. We're in really bad conditions. Last night, high was 12. Wind chill put it at, thinking like -3. Fortunately, a couple fortunate things. One is that I went to Spencer, so it took 3 days off today's hike instead of staying at Russell. The second thing was that the shelter was packed with some good folks. Of course, the group that I've been traveling with, Nomad, Gazelle, Polo, Willow, and Jenny, but also you'll remember Ryan and EZ, they're behind me. So Jenny's leading the pack of these men today. Anyway, the shelter was full when I got there, but my group made room for me to be able to slide in. Unfortunately, I was perpendicular to the flap opening, and so it was really cold. I was uncomfortably cold, but not, life-threatening or hypothermic. That was pretty contrasted by today. This morning, everybody's stuff was frozen. Water supplies, shoes, boots. Of course, we all had our filters and our, what clothes and that sort of thing in our sleeping bag with us. So those were warm, but the conditions are hypothermic. Of course, I'm doing a lot better now, but I actually went, I think, full up hypothermic this morning. I actually got very dizzy, lightheaded, sort of delirious. Started packing and unpacking my bag, just doing like frivolous things, none of which were in my interest for self-preservation. But I was able to get the camp stove going. Actually, I had to borrow Willow's. Mine, the BRS, is great for normal conditions, but when it's that cold and windy, it doesn't generate enough BTUs to boil water. But I was able to get some water boiled and drink it, do some ramen, so heat my core body up. Toes and fingers were completely frozen. Boots were so hard that they literally wouldn't bend. Just put them on with great force, started walking, and that's where we are. So anyway, that's where we are right now. So I'll show you the route up to Klingman's Dome as I tell you the saga of the last 24 hours. So if you're not interested in that, just hit the audio mute button, and I'm sure we'll see some pretty sights. Today's a beautiful day. We hear it may even get up to like 40 degrees. That would be exceptional. Of course, everything will turn to mud, but that's okay. The path up to Klingman's Dome. I'm out of breath, so I won't try to speak at this point. This is a solemn, but in some way fitting moment. I was just notified by my brother that my mother has passed away. While I'm out here on this journey, hoping to resolve the passing of so many people in my life, that yet another one should go, and no one less significant than my own mother. Mama, I love you. I thank you for everything that you did for me, that made me who I am. I'm sorry that I was here and couldn't be there. But I know that you're with your mom and dad and Rita and Dottie and Dad and everyone else, so I don't know how this will manifest in the rest of the trail, but frankly, there is no place, I feel no place that I could be closer to you at this time than here. I'm standing on peaks with unbroken view of the sky. I have no sound in my head but that of the wind through the trees. So this is a fitting place for me to contemplate our time together. I love you, Mama. Thank you.